Still 3 minutes are there. I'll start after 3 minutes, but question is displayed. So those who are interested, you can solve that question. Yeah, let's start. Today was CA Foundation. Starting till we reach to question 55, till this topic gets over, you are there. After that, you have to leave the lecture. I'll continue with CS students. For CA student, after question number 55, this is 48. So after question number 55, your LR, that is logical reasoning, 20 marks will get over. I'll start with then CS students LR. They have something called as clock calculation and calendar calculation. So I'll be doing that with them once this is over. So CA student will log out after, I'll tell you after that question number 55 gets over, I'll tell you to log out. Still, if you want to continue, you can always continue. We'll be doing what is known as calendar and clock calculation, rather clock calculation first, followed by calendar calculation for CS student. The CS student have to continue. Let's start with this question 48. Rahul and Robin are brothers. Rahul and Robin are brothers. Pramod is Robin's father. Pramod is Robin's father. Then yesterday, somebody asked me, one of the student asked me a question, sir, how do you know that is you have to read the sentence in the reverse direction, reverse path? Dear student, you should read the sentence in normal format, that is straight format only, always. But straight format is confusing. You are not able to understand. सीधा जाते हैं तो क्या बोला है समझता नहीं है. When you don't know what they are saying, when you are reading straight, that time you try reverse way. If it works, fine. So there is no hard and fast rule when to go reverse and when to go straight. Normally, okay, you should go straight only. But in straight, you have problem, then you try with reverse if you can solve with reverse. So here, Pramod is Robin's father. If Pramod is Robin's father, even he is father of Rahul also, because they are Robin and Rahul, they are brothers. So I'm showing that also, arrow. So Pramod is father of Rahul and Robin. Further, Sheila is Pramod's sister. Sheila is Pramod's sister. Sheila is Pramod's sister. Prema is Pramod's niece. Prema is Pramod's niece. Now, if she is Pramod's niece, she has to be Sheila's, that is sister's daughter. Sheila's daughter. For Pramod, Prema is niece. For Sheila, Prema is daughter. Sister daughter is a niece. Okay. Then Shubha is Sheila's granddaughter. Shubha is Sheila's granddaughter. Means Prema's daughter. Sheila's granddaughter. Sheila's daughter is Prema. Prema's daughter is Shubha. And therefore, Shubha is granddaughter of Sheila. How? Rahul is related to Shubha. How? Rahul. So arrow will go to Rahul from Shubha. So answer, as you said correctly, it's uncle. The next. In a screenshot you want to take the screenshot. Again, I'll tell you, we are upgrading the server. Server जो होता है वो upgrade किया जा रहा है. So right now you don't see those recorded lectures. Wait for 3 or 4 days. I should say wait till Sunday. By Sunday everything should get normal, and from Monday onwards we'll get those recorded lecture. Earlier recorded lecture also, even today's lecture also, even yesterday's lecture, all recorded lectures you will get. Only thing, we are upgrading the server. In fact, we are changing the server. Next, try this. "49. Good. Let's solve this. Okay, fine. Priti has a son named Arun. Priti has a son named Arun. Priti has a son named Arun. Priti's son is Arun. Arun's mother is Priti. Ram is Priti's brother. Ram is Priti's brother. Next sentence is Nita too has a daughter named Rima. Nita, nowhere in our diagram, Nita is present at present, nor Rima is present. So this sentence, the third sentence, is talking about Nita and her daughter Rima. But right now, we'll skip that. We'll go to the next one. Nita is Ram's sister. Nita is Ram's sister. Ram's sister is Nita. Now, Nita came into picture. Now, let us go to the earlier sentence. Nita too has a daughter named Rima. Nita's daughter is Rima. Nita is Ram's sister. That is over. What is Arun's relationship to Rima? What is Arun's relationship to Rima? Arun. So arrow will go to Arun from Rima. Nita is sister of Ram. Okay, Ram is brother of Priti. Means even Priti is Ram's sister. Or in other word, Priti is Nita's sister. Nita and Priti, they are sisters, and Ram is their brother. So sister's son. Correct, cousin. Next then. There are two film stars. One is father of the other son. What is the relationship of the two film stars with each other? Let me tell you, okay, आप लोगों की चोरी पकड़ी गई है. You people are copying from study material and giving me the answer. You have not solved this. The question in study material is different. My question is different. All of you are copying from study material. You're saying their answer and you're giving me that answer. You are not solving. Cheaters. Those who got that answer D, WhatsApp me your diagram. Let me see what diagram you got. I was waiting for this. Now this is our last lecture, so I can't do anything. But from next year, I learned a lesson. I'll change questions. I'll not give questions from study material. What is the use of copying from study material? There are two flame stars. Look at the explanation now. Now, send. Yes, those who have drawn diagrams, send it. Someone sent just now. In another, WhatsApp me. Before my diagram, let me see your diagram. Let's start now. So only one fellow, WhatsApp me the diagram, nobody else. Let's see. Two flame stars. So FS1 is flame star 1, FS2 is flame star 2. Or maybe in the study material, the answer is wrong. I don't know. There is something. Study material, the answer is given as D. And so you people give me, so many of you give me answer as D. Let's say now what happens. Try and understand. Don't just copy. There are two flame stars. First sentence is over. One is the father of other son. One is the father of other son. So FS other, let me take it as FS2, his son. So FS1 is the father. Second sentence says one is father of other son. What is the relationship between the two flame star with each other? FS2 son and FS1 is the father. What is common? Son is common. FS2's son and son ka father is FS1. So what is relationship between FS1 and FS2? The relation is husband and wife. FS2 is wife. FS1 is father. So FS2 is mother because son is common. And you people are saying father and son. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead. Now if you give me diagram, I will not accept it. Fine. Next one. Don't copy. You are not cheating me. You are cheating yourself. Now, why you are taking question from study material? 51.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
Let's see now here. Ramu's mother. Okay. Ramu's mother said to Ramu. So I've made that green arrow. Ramu's mother. Anyway, there is a relation. Mother and the son. Ramu's mother said to Ramu, my mother. Who is saying this? Mother is saying my mother. My mother. So one line up. That means Ramu's grandmother has a son. Has a son. Whose son is Achyut. Son is Achyut. How Achyut is in relation to Ramu? Achyut relation to Ramu. The first mother here. Okay. And this is second. This is mother 1. And this is, let us call it as mother 2. Common point is mother 2. Mother 2 is common for mother 1 and the son. That means the relation between here, this mother and son, this relation is brother, sister, sibling. Okay. So Ramu's mama's son is Achyut. And so that is cousin. Next. If you are solving and giving the answer, fine. If you are just copying the answer from that study material answer, it's of no use. You are going to give a tough exam of India. CA, CS, both are tough exams. If you do cheating, you'll have a problem in clearing the exam. Let's start this. Ravi's father has a son. Ravi's father has a son, Rohit. Ravi's father is having a son, Rohit. It means Ravi and Rohit are brother because they are having common father, so they are brother. Ravi's father and father's son is Rohit. That means Ravi and Rohit are brother. Whose aunt is Lakshmi? Lakshmi is aunt of Rohit. Automatically, she will be aunt of Ravi also because they are brother. So if somebody is aunt of Rohit, it has to be aunt of Ravi also. Who has a husband, Rao? Lakshmi's husband is Rao. Whose father-in-law is Mohan? Father-in-law of Rao is Mohan. What is the relation of Mohan to Ravi? What is the relation of Mohan to Ravi? Answer is B, that is grandfather. Here in this diagram, I have not shown this, but that father and Lakshmi, they are siblings. Rao's father-in-law means Lakshmi. And when Mohan is Lakshmi's father, even he is father of that father also. To Ravi's father. So Ravi's father and Ravi's father's father is Mohan. So grandfather. Very shortly, you will be having online tests. As I said, once our shifting is over, upgradation of server is over, the next thing we are going to do is start your online exams. There I'll come to know your performances. '53. Check the question. I might have changed. I don't remember. Let's see. Vijay says, Anand's mother is only daughter, is the only daughter of my mother. Vijay is saying, so Vijay, what is saying? Anand's mother, that is Anand. Okay, even though this is A, Anand's mother is only daughter of my mother. Vijay's mother, only daughter, is Anand's mother. Vijay's mother, again see that Vijay saying what? Anand's mother is the only daughter of my mother. How Anand is related to Vijay? How Anand is related to Vijay? Anand related to Vijay. Vijay and that mother down here, what is the relationship between these two? Relation between Vijay and this mother, circled mother. There are two mothers down. Relationship between Vijay and that circled mother. Yes, sibling, or you can say brother, sister. Sibling is also correct. Brother, sister is also correct. Vijay is brother and that mother circled one is sister, sibling. So, nip. Answer is nip. Brother, sister, correct. Next. A little bit tough one. See how I'm solving it. Introducing a man, women said. Introducing a man, the women said. So that green arrow I've said introduce. The introducing a man, the women said his wife, means that man's wife, is the only daughter of my mother. Man's wife is only daughter of my mother, that woman's mother. So that means that wife and this women here, they are sisters. Agreed? This women here, the one who is introducing this one, and this wife, relation between them, what they are having? They are having common mother. Common mother means these two are having common mother. That means they are sibling. They are sisters of each other. How the woman is related to man? What the question says, only daughter. Mind you, the question says only daughter. See now what I'm saying. Only daughter. So there, it's not that women is not having two daughters. His wife is the only daughter. So that women here and that wife is one and the same because of that word only daughter. Before this, it looks as there are two. But then because of that word only, if it is said daughter, it will be two. But because that only word, what happens? Only daughter. So the same lady. So the same lady. So that is what? Earlier, only daughter, because of only daughter, this women gets cancelled here. Before that, there were two. If that word only is not there, then they are having two daughters. But because of that word only, this daughter get cancelled now. This women get cancelled. Both are one and the same. Only daughter, so single daughter. You cannot have two. Somebody pointed out there, yes. Dominic? Savio, yeah. Savio, correct. Okay. So later on, I cancel that. Now, I've said they're only daughter, so same lady. Now, relation between that man and that wife. So it's wife. So that word only was important here. If the word only is not there, then there will be two of them. Women separate and that wife separate. Here, the women gets cancelled. I'm showing that women is cancelled. So if you want to take a proper screenshot, you can take a proper screenshot. Only daughter, so that women and that wife is one and the same. Only means single. Okay. Next. The last one. A prisoner introduced by a boy. A prisoner introduced a boy who come to visit him. A prisoner, the one who is in the jail, okay, the criminal introduced a boy who came to visit him to the jailer as brother and sisters I have none. He is my father's son's son. Who is the boy? Again, a bit. Last question. Maybe many times students find this difficult, so the explanation goes as follows. The prisoner and the boy. The prisoner is saying about that boy. What he is saying? Brothers and sisters, I have none. He is the father's son. Is the prisoner says he is my father's son. He is my father's son. That boy is my father's son. Before that, he said, I am not having any brother. So that means the prisoner is not having brother. So his father's son means he himself. So again, like the earlier one, the prisoner gets cancelled. Why? Because he said he's not having any brother and sister. Sister is not important here. He's not having any brother. Okay, brothers, sisters, no one is there. So prisoner gets cancelled. So now relation. B. Want to take screenshot? Can take screenshot. With this CA foundation, LR is over. CA foundation, LR is over. Okay. Questions on this relations, homework questions on relation along with answers will be sent to you by today evening. They are ready. I'll send them. Okay. So by today evening, you will get those homework questions. There are altogether 25 questions, if I'm not wrong. Homework questions. Okay. Try and solve them. Answers are there. Okay. Diagrams are not there. Answers are there. Any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me. Now, CA foundation students can leave, may leave. Okay. You can log out, CA student. Okay. Yeah, somebody reminded me. Thank you. Syllogism. Yeah, one sum I have to explain. So I'll do that and then wait. I'll take that sum. Sum number 25. Just wait. I'll open that file.